Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 2022 Ferrari Roma Coupe. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. 3.9 liter twin turbo V8. It's got an 8-speed dual clutch F1 gearbox. And it has 757 miles on it. So less than 1,000 miles on this beautiful red Ferrari Roma 2022. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. We're going to walk around it. We will start it up, but as we're walking around showing you the paint, we do want to let you know you can view it on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. You will see pictures of all angles. It is outside, so you'll be able to see it in sunlight as well. We do have it on the lift, so you can see the bottom of the vehicle. If I'm going too fast with the camera, again, please look at the pictures online on our website. If you have an interest in the vehicle, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. But why don't I just give you a quick walk around. We will start it up, show you the engine compartment, but let you see the paint. Big ceramic rotors and the yellow calipers. Just a fantastic touch with this red and cream interior. Just tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota as we're walking around this 2022 Ferrari Roma. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars. Another 20% will be exotic, as we're looking at today, and or European or luxury vehicles. I'm not going to show you the entire inventory, but if you see something or would like to see the rest of the inventory, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com for our full inventory and full gallery of each vehicle on the website with details. Just a beautiful Ferrari here. If you are not in Florida and you have an interest in the vehicle, please still do give us a call or visit the website, as we are able to ship this vehicle anywhere in the world. Last year we shipped in 19 different states and 9 countries around the world. If you have finance needs on a classic car, we can get you financed. Please visit the website. You can see this beautiful shark nose on this 2022 Ferrari. Again, 612 horsepower out of this 3.9 twin turbo. Just an absolute stunning vehicle. And as I was saying, we can get it unlocked here. We can certainly get you financed and or ship your vehicle anywhere you are looking. So please don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, you got Ferrari hat, car cover back there. Does have the window sticker as well, and then the specs. That picture is online, so you can see, or pause the video to review the specific specs on this vehicle, but we will go ahead and get inside. Again, just a stunning interior. See the cream interior, leather, Ferrari logo embroidered in. The cockpit just looks fast. As you see, the big Ferrari Roma. Let's go ahead and get it started up here. Starts right up. See, it has navigation. We do have the door open, as you can see. We are in park. There's the red light there. We are in sport mode. Still warm up, so we won't go ahead and rev it up yet. But we'll open up the engine compartment here. Let you see the twin turbos sitting underneath the hood here. The high idle goes off. You do hear that revving sound that is legendary for Ferraris. Again, just a excellent condition engine compartment, untouched, as you would imagine with a vehicle less than 800 miles. Chassis number 273976. Just a beautiful piece of equipment here. And it is in Ferrari red. Some say the only color Ferrari should be. You hear the exhaust coming out. Again, just an absolutely beautiful 2022 Ferrari Roma, available here at Classic Cars of Sarasota. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. As I mentioned, you can see 757 is a odometer. Again, we do have the door open. Go ahead and put the windows down here. Unmistakable sound of a Ferrari. Just absolutely fantastic vehicle. Again, if you have interest, you see the shark nose with the lights on. Again, it does look very classy, very fast, but has the legendary Ferrari performance behind it. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We appreciate you joining in today. If you want to see future inventory and video clips, please follow us and subscribe below. And again, as always, thank you very much.